Upgrading your VW or Skoda's stereo shouldn't be complicated. Meet the GRANDnavi Android 13 radio, a seamless 7-inch upgrade for Golf 5/6, Passat B6, Touran, Polo, Jetta, and Skoda Octavia. Wireless freedom. Connect instantly to CarPlay or Android Auto without cables. Navigate with Waze, stream Spotify, or take calls, all on a crisp 7-inch HD touchscreen. Built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, free offline maps plus real-time traffic updates. Download apps directly to the radio, no phone needed. Bluetooth 5.0 for crystal-clear hands-free calls. Add an external mic for noisy cabin environments. True plug-and-play, works with both basic and premium VW trims. High-end models? Use the Canvas connector. Base models? Simply bypass it, no rewiring. Automatic camera activation. Shift into reverse, and the screen instantly shows your rear camera view. Parking assistance made effortless. FM/RDS radio with 18 preset stations. RDS displays traffic alerts and song info, keeping you informed on the road. Imagine this, road tripping in your Passat B6 with offline GPS guiding you, CarPlay playing your playlist, and parking sensors activating automatically. That's daily life within GRANDnavi. Why choose this? OEM-style fit, zero modification needed, and Android 13 speed, all at a fraction of dealership costs. Explore it on AliExpress, where smart upgrades meet German engineering.